good, doesn't it? Dead-Eyed Wayne here with another video just showing you my ammo belt that broke, and I was taking my ammo out of it and switch out and put some new rounds in it. Just some shiny new rounds, make it look better, because my old rounds have been in this belt for about 2 years, and I had a catastrophe here. It came loose right there, if you can see it. But anyways, so I'm getting me a new belt to put my ammo in. It's a full 2-inch belt. This thing will hold 380, 9mm, 38s, 357 mag, and I'm not sure what all else. But anyway, here's the belt that I have worn for a couple years. And of course I also carry an extra mag pouch. But anyway, when I went to switch out this ammo and put some fresh ammo in, because it was shinier, I like the bling, if you will, I noticed a huge difference in the old ammo, the 2-year-old ammo, and the new ammo. And so I wanted to make a video and see how much the rain and everything has affected the ammo. I've heard that you can shoot ammo and it will be good as long as it's not green. If it's green, don't shoot it. Other than that, I've heard it should be safe to shoot any ammo. Well, there's a huge difference in the coloring of my 2-year-old ammo that's been out in the elements. It's been rained on several times. I don't quit working just because it's raining. So I am going to see if it's true. I want to see if them primers that have been wet so many times have been affected. So I'm going to try to put a good picture of the old ammo versus the new ammo. I'll put them both in the box that they come out of. That way you can compare them, and then we will shoot them. So I will see you on the range. Okay, here is the actual rounds that come out of that belt. The first, the second, and the third full row on the left are all from that belt. And the center 3 and the 4th row on the left is out of that belt. There are 18 of them altogether. Okay, now here are all these rounds from the first part of the video that have been wet for 2 years, off and on. They've been in my ammo belt. But anyway, we are going to load these up, and I hope you can see there's one. My belt held 18 rounds. So I'm gonna have to there was one. So all 18 rounds worked flawlessly. Even though the primers have been wet so often and they look like they might not fire, they were all still good rounds, even though I do think it's a good idea to change out your ammunition every once in a while anyway, especially if you're wearing an ammo belt like these were in. So thank you very much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now here are just a few shots that I figured you would enjoy.